What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kwesi. I make tech videos on cars and just tech in general. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking a few videos, sharing my videos. I would really appreciate it, and it would really help with the YouTube algorithm and just getting my video out there to the YouTube community. Today I want to talk about Instagram again. It looks like after months and years of public outcry, Instagram has finally officially released an in-house built-in process through the app to send a video selfie and get your hacked Instagram account back. Now, we all know they've always had a method to get your disabled Instagram account back. They've always had that, but they've never really had a process, or at least a proper process, to get your hacked account back. Now they officially do. So today I want to walk you guys through those steps, and hopefully I can help you get your hacked Instagram accounts back. So let's get into my phone. So at the Instagram login page, you're gonna type the email address associated with your account. So I'm gonna type one of my email address because I have two accounts. I'm gonna type one of my email addresses in. Now this page is really tricky. You kind of have to play with it. What I've noticed playing with it the past 2 days is sometimes you have to put the email that's associated with your account. Sometimes you have to put your username that's associated with the account. What has worked for my friends and myself is putting in the email address that's associated with the account. So go ahead and put your email address. You're not gonna put your password. You're gonna go to forgot password. You're gonna get to this screen. It says enter your username or email, and we will send you a link to get back into your account. So your email that's associated with your account is already in there. You're not gonna click next or tap next. You're gonna go to need more help. Once you go to need more help, you're gonna get choose a recovery method screen. Now this, depending on how many accounts you have and how, like, every account is different. So you might see a different page, but on the basis, you should at the bottom see next and try another way. So we're gonna go to try another way, and then you're gonna get to this screen. Now this screen is brand new. I've never seen this screen before. All my life, all my years playing with Instagram, just trying to figure out how it works, going through 4 disabled accounts. I've never seen this screen before. So this looks like it's new. So you get to the screen. It says we can only offer support if you personally own the account you need help with. Friends or family that need support or for other issues you don't see here, learn more, blah blah blah. Then it says, why can't you get into your account? First option, I forgot my password and can't reset it. Second, the login code was sent to a mobile number or email that I don't have access to. I get a lot of DMs about this also. I get DMs of people asking, hey, I changed my phone number, or I have a new phone, I don't have that number anymore, so I'm not getting the 2-factor authentication code. So if you're one of those individuals, if you fall into that category, this will be the option that you select. The login code was sent to a mobile number or email that I don't have access to. This third option, my account was hacked. I've never seen that before. This must be something new that Instagram just added, probably after public outcry and complaints. So if your account was hacked, you're gonna select this option. If your account was disabled, you're gonna select the 4th option. So let's go to my account was hacked. So we're gonna select my account was hacked and click next. It's gonna bring you to this page. Do you have a photo of yourself in your account? Yes, I have a photo of myself in my account. No, I don't have a photo of myself in my account. Obviously, I'm hoping you have pictures of yourself in your account. So we're gonna select yes, I have a photo of myself in that account. And then you're gonna go to next. It's gonna ask you to type in an email. So just type in a new email. Maybe the hacker has changed the email on your account, you're gonna type in a new email that Instagram can reach you on. So I'm just gonna type any email address. So once you type in an email, just click submit. So this is where it brings you to the screen where you take the video selfie to prove that this is really you. So it's gonna say slowly turn your head to the right, then slowly turn your head to the left. Then it's gonna say video selfie is complete. Thanks for completing these steps. Submit this video to help us confirm you are a real person and confirm your identity. And then at the bottom it will say this video will never be visible on Instagram and will be deleted within 30 days. This won't use facial recognition or collect any biometric data, blah blah blah. Once you click submit video, you should get a confirmation email confirming that they've received your video, and in about 24 to 48 hours, or even maybe less. I'm not gonna send this video because obviously my account hasn't been hacked. I just wanted to go through these steps with you guys, so I'm gonna cancel. However, once you send that video proof in showing that the account is really yours, you should get a confirmation email immediately, and then in about 24 to 48 hours you should get your account back. You should get an email with steps on how to create a new password or how to create a new email, and you should get your account back. This method works. It's worked for 5 of my friends whose accounts were hacked. So Instagram has done a really good job using technology to speed all of these things. So I don't think it's an actual human being reviewing the video selfie. I think this is all, they're using technology and AI and all that stuff. So if you send a video and you get an email that, hey, we're sorry, we weren't able to confirm, just keep sending that video selfie. Just go to a well-lit area. If you're wearing a hat, just make sure your face is clear. Second, third time, usually after the first video, they're able to confirm. But if not, just send it again, send it again. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this video very short. There's no point to make this a 10-minute video. Just go straight to the point. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If this video helped you, please like it. Share it with your friends. Share it with everybody whose account has been hacked. I'm gonna be making more videos on Instagram. So enjoy the holidays. Stay safe. Happy New Year to everybody. Peace.